Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are well. So students, in today's English class we will complete our book exercises. Fine. So page number 60 in your English fairy book. Right. So I am going to write book exercise page number 60. Read these sentences, pay attention to the highlighted words. The four lawyers rode slowly, means slowly is here highlighted word. They heard a great fluttering over their head. Soon the three lawyers stopped at a spring. The highlighted words are adverbs. क्या है ये हमारी adverbs? Fine. They tell us more about verb. ये हमें किसके बारे में बताती हैं? ये हमें verb के बारे में बताती हैं. Now read these sentences. He held them gently. Right? How did he hold them? Means अगर मैं बात करूँ उसने उसे पकड़ा कैसे? Gently. कैसे पकड़ा? How he hold them? Gently. So gently is here as a verb. Adverb. Fine. He put the birds back softly. उसने उन birds को वापस कहाँ पे रख दिया? Softly means soft यानी प्यार से. How did he put them back? Softly. So softly here as a adverb. Right. So now students, what we will do? We have to do our A exercise. In that we will see first adverb of manner. These adverb tell us how an action is done. कि कोई काम कैसे हुआ है. Such adverb are called adverb of manner. इनको हम क्या कहेंगे? Adverb of manner. Right. Next, read these sentences. They heard a great fluttering over their head. कहाँ पर? Over their head. उनके सर के ऊपर. So he looked up to find the nest from where they had fallen. So these adverbs tell us where an action is done. कि कोई काम कहाँ पर हुआ है. So they tell us such adverb are called adverb of place. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Adverb of place. Now read this sentence. You must leave tomorrow. She fed the young boy yesterday. These adverbs tell us when an action is done. Such adverb called adverb of time. यानी जो हमें टाइम के बारे में बताएगा that is called adverb of time. जो हमें place के बारे में बताता है that is called adverb of place. And how the action is done, that means it tells us adverb of manner. So now we have to do our A exercise. Underline the adverbs. First what we have to do? We have to underline the adverb and write AM for adverb of manner, for AP for adverb place and AT for adverb time. तो हमें क्या करना है? शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है. अगर adverb of manner है आपके यहाँ पर तो आपको क्या करना है? AM. ऐसे ही adverb of time, adverb of place. Question is one here. Rita sang sweetly. So what you will do? Number one, first you have to underline adverb. So underline sweetly and here you have to. How she sang? Sweetly. So adverb of manner. Fine. Next one. Raju goes for his violin class every day. Every day you have to underline every day and write down adverb of time. Clear? Next, number 3 is here. Neeta felt the cool breeze blow softly on her face. So softly, how the blow? How the cool breeze blow? That is softly. So adverb of manner. Right? Next, number 4. It is raining. Let's go inside. बारिश हो रही है, आइए अंदर चलिए. तो inside क्या है आपकी? कहाँ जाना है आपको? अंदर जाना है. तो ये क्या है आपका? Adverb of place. Right? Next one, number 5. Dolly danced gracefully. How Dolly danced? Gracefully. So gracefully is here. Underline and write down adverb of manner. Clear? Now students, we will do 6, 7, 8. I hope you have completed this. Next one, we will move 6 number. She has traveled everywhere. So we have to underline everywhere and write down here adverb of place. Everywhere means हर जगह. 7 number, the old man was walking slowly. So we have to underline slowly and write down adverb of manner. How he walks? He walks slowly. So ये क्या है आपका adverb of manner. Next 8 number, the kitten are playing there. There means वहाँ पर kitten खेल रहे हैं. तो ये क्या हो गया adverb of place. Students, we will do this topic in our compacta book also, but still now we have to do in our exercise. So these are adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time. Right? Now read the sentence. It is extremely cold. So cold is here adjective. The sun was already setting. Setting is here verb. He walked very quickly. Quickly here as a adverb. The highlighted word tells us the degree of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. These adverbs are called adverb of degree. Fine. So now we will do B exercise. In our B exercise. B exercise में क्या है बच्चा? Now fill in the blanks with the correct words from the bracket. We have to fill the correct words. She finished her day's work and was totally exhausted. उसने अपना पूरे दिन का काम कर लिया है, अब वो पूरी तरह से थक चुकी है. So totally. First, this is the answer of B exercise. First. Second, Lata Mangeshkar isn't just a good singer, she is absolutely fantastic. Second, she is absolutely Third number, the Taj Mahal at Agra is definitely stunning. Definitely stunning. The Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra is number 4. The Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra is quite or almost? Almost. Next, number 5. The teenager in the group extremely lazy. Extremely lazy. It was blank freezing this morning. Absolutely, it was very. It was absolutely freezing. ABSOLUTELY. Absolutely. So now we have completed 6, 7. I am going to write here. 7 number, Riya in my opinion is extremely talented. Extremely. Next, number 8, Mrs. Sen, our class teacher is really nice. वो बहुत ही अच्छी है. Fine students, so we have completed page number 61 also, and this is the B exercise from our English Fairy book. Now we will move on the next. Read these sentences. I could not have slept tonight if I had left those robins to Paris. अगर मैं उनको robins यानी जो यंगवर थे उनको मैं छोड़ देता तो मैं आज पूरी रात सो नहीं पाता. Now the mother bird was anxious because the baby birds could not fly. So each of these sentences has two parts. Two parts हैं that are joined by two words. जिनको two words से join किया है, because और if से. Right? Such words which are used to join sentence are known as conjunction. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Conjunction कहते हैं. Right? So use if or because to join these sentences. So now here, Arthur will be staying back after school. So in the first sentence, exercise exercise number C. In the first question, Arthur will be staying back after school because he has football practice. So students, in the first sentence we will add with because, क्योंकि उसे फुटबॉल की प्रैक्टिस करनी है इसलिए वो रुका हुआ है. I will do well in my examination. मैं और अच्छा करूँगा अगर मैं क्या करूँगा, प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ या हार्ड वर्क करता हूँ. स्टडी हार्ड, अगर मैं कठिन मेहनत करता हूँ. If स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज मीन्स क्योंकि, इफ मीन्स अगर. राइट. थर्ड नंबर देखिए, आई एम गोइंग आउट टू प्ले बिकॉज आई हैव फिनिश्ड ऑन माई वर्क. क्योंकि मैंने अपना काम फिनिश कर लिया है इसलिए मुझे अब बाहर खेलने जाना है. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4, आई विल गो फॉर ए वॉक इफ यू कम विद मी. मैं बाहर वॉक के लिए जाऊंगा अगर तुम मेरे साथ आओगे. इफ. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5, Mary had fever because she had got wet in the rain. वो बारिश में भीग गई थी इसलिए उनको फीवर हो गया. नेक्स्ट नंबर 6, I will eat rice for lunch if you serve. मैं लंच में चावल खाऊंगा अगर आप मुझे कढ़ी के साथ देंगे. कढ़ी. राइट. नेक्स्ट 7 नंबर इज हियर, I can't go out to play because it is raining. मैं बाहर खेलने नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि बारिश हो रही है. 8 नंबर देखिए, You want to buy stationery, come with me. If you want, अगर आप स्टेशनरी खरीदना चाहते हो तो आप मेरे साथ आइए. तो आप क्या कहेंगे, If you want to buy stationery, come with me. So students, we have completed C exercise also. Now we will move on the page number 63. Page number 63. What we have to do? Spelling. When we rearrange the letters of a word to form another word, that word is known as an anagram. यानी हम words को आगे पीछे अरेंज कर देते हैं. Right? Look at these words from the story. Life, fight. Here, here. Trees, steer. Now, on. So here rearrange the letters of these words to make anagram. One has been done for you. पेन का आपका नेप क्या गया है. सेकंड देखिए अब आपका क्या है. ये सेकंड में दिया गया है लीड, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, लीड को डी. थर्ड देखिए आपका, थर्ड में क्या दिया गया है आपका, रीड, तो रीड से हम क्या बना सकते हैं, डियर. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 देखिए, टी. टी से हम ईट भी कर सकते हैं. राइट. और इसका हम अगर ऐसे करें एट भी कर सकते हैं. 2 फॉर्म बना सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5, डाइस. डाइस का ICED, आइस्ड. 6 नंबर देखिए, टूल्स. टूल्स का हम कर देंगे स्टूल. So students, now we have completed page number 63 also. Next one, punctuate this paragraph, capitalize where necessary, and write synonym for these words. You will find them in the story. I will send all the work in your group. Complete it. Right? Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.